Hi, Olivia. How are you today?
Hi, Liam. I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm great. What did you do this morning?
I woke up early and went for a walk. Then I had breakfast. What about you?
I woke up at 7 a.m. I had some coffee and read the news.
That sounds nice. What will you do after this?
I will go to the market to buy some fruits. What will you do?
I will go home and study English for 1 hour.
Wow, that's great. How do you practice English? Every day.
I read English books and speak in English with friends like you. I also watch English videos on YouTube.
Good idea. I also want to speak English fluently. Can we practice together every day?
Yes, of course. Let's speak in English.
Perfect. Let's start now. Tell me about your favorite food.
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza because it is tasty. What about you?
I love pasta. It is my favorite dish.
Great! Speaking English every day will make us fluent.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Liam and Olivia enter a cafe.
Hi, Olivia. This cafe looks nice. Have you been here before?
Hi, Liam. No, this is my first time. It looks beautiful.
Yes, it's very cozy. What do you want to drink?
I think I'll have a cappuccino. What about you?
I'll take a cup of tea. Do you want something to eat?
Maybe a sandwich. I'm a little hungry.
Great choice. I'll order a slice of cake.
Can you order for both of us, please?
Sure, to drinks, 1 cappuccino, 1 tea, and 1 sandwich, 1 cake.
Cashier, that will be $10.
Here you go.
Thank you, Liam. I'll pay next time.
No problem. Let's sit near the window.
Wow, this view is amazing. I love this cafe.
Me too. We should come here again next weekend.
Yes! Next time, let's try their special coffee.
Liam and Olivia are in a supermarket.
Liam, do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy buying fresh fruits and vegetables. What do you need today?
I need some apples and bananas. What about you?
I need some oranges and tomatoes. Let's go to the fruit section first.
Okay. Oh, look. These apples are fresh.
Yes, and they are on sale. Do you want to take a kilo?
Yes, please. How many bananas should we take?
Let's take 6 bananas. That should be enough.
Perfect. Do you like grapes?
Yes, I love grapes. Should we buy some?
Sure. They look very sweet.
Great. Now let's go to the vegetable section.
Okay. I also need some potatoes and onions.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all. Let's go to the counter and pay.
Alright, today's shopping was fun.
Liam and Olivia are walking in the park.
Olivia, what are your plans for this weekend?
I think I will visit my cousin on Saturday. What about you?
I will stay at home and watch a movie.
That sounds nice. Which movie will you watch?
I'm planning to watch an English movie. It will help me practice English.
That's a good idea. Do you watch English movies often?
Not very often, but I want to start watching at least 1 movie every week.
Great! You can learn new words and improve listening.
Exactly. What will you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I will clean my room and read an English book.
Wow, you are very productive. What book are you reading?
I'm reading a book called English Made Easy. It's simple and helpful.
That sounds interesting. Maybe you can recommend it to me when you finish.
Sure. Next week we can discuss it in English.
That sounds like fun. See you tomorrow.
See you, Liam. Bye.